Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. This is coming from HopeTrek HopeTrek, kind of like Star Trek. I don't know. Oh, this thing's heavy. Oh, baby. Yep, HopeTrek. Mini portable power. Whoa. USB cable. This has everything. Alright, look at this. Got a digital display. PD 3.1. HopeTrek. This looks nice, guys. 140 watts. Portable power. And there's that 3.1 TFT intelligent display. You can carry this on airplanes. It won't say nothing. Discharging 2 USB-Cs. MacBook Pro. You could charge that in 30 minutes. Whoa. Alright, guys. Let's take a look at this beast. Definitely interested. Now we got a new year ahead of us. And should be interesting. Here we go. Get that off. There. Slide. Got a bunch of stuff in the back. Oh, my globe started to spin. Product name, 140 watts mini portable power. Model number B140. There's all that output, USB, all that. So there it is. If they have a website, I'll leave it down below also. But most likely it's going to be an Amazon thing. So Prime Day and Prime Big Deal days are coming up again. So I want to start looking now at sales, especially these guys, and see what other stuff they have to offer. Here we go. All right, now it's time to rock and roll. We got certified user guide right here. Warning. We got a USB cable right here. And that was on the other side of this holder. Throw that away now. Oh boy. Look at this thing. This thing is nice looking. HopeTrek. Turn it on 3 seconds. 69% left. So that's a good amount to charge something for the video. You can see the digital display. Oh, right there. Output. Really nice. And it's kind of heavy, but still. This thing can do it all. And it has non-slip guards. So you can have it at your desk or at a hotel charging. Really nice. Come on. Oh, here we go. We got a menu. Whoa. Always on. Always ready. HopeTrek. Really nice. Alright, so get to charge. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are back. Alright guys, now I got this thing out. It is charging on C2, which is the second one at the bottom. You can see it's labeled C1, A1. And like I say, you can have it standing up or you can have it laying down. We'll give it a few seconds and hopefully this thing boots up. Because like I said, it's been a while since I used this, so this thing will bring it to life. Probably months, maybe since last Christmas. This is the last time I might have used it. Alright, see, I think it's gave it good enough juice to start it up. It shouldn't take that long to fully charge. Boom. Yeah, we are rocking 38 watts. And runtime 1 minute. Max capacity 100%. Temperature 24 degrees, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good. This thing is cool. So like I said, if you know the person that's into tech stuff like I am, this would be a nice one to get for their MacBooks, whatever they use. This thing will come in handy. Like I said, you can charge multiple things. Cell phone, smartphone, lights, pretty much anything you have. Microphones and others. So, I mean, definitely check them out. And I have the link down below. And you guys have a good night. Be safe. Take it easy. Stay warm.